Even more businesses here in Florida are hoping it's their turn to get back to business alongside restaurants and salons. Today, Disney World started taking hotel reservations for July, signaling a possible return of the state's biggest business, tourism, of course, right? As Nightside's Bo Zimmer found, hotels in the Bay Area are hoping they can get back in the game even sooner than that.
Nothing like we've ever seen.
Rick Garlick is a research consultant with Magid. His study shows large percentages of people believe COVID-19 can be easily spread through airports, hotels, and restaurants.
There's a pretty large segment of people who simply don't trust them to be safe. So we've looked at a lot of things that hotel companies, airlines, cruise lines could do to enhance that sense of trust.
Marriott is among the big hotel chains working to ease those customer fears. They're promising to set a new international standard for hospitality cleanliness. Everything from partitions at the front desk to UV light technology to sterilize keys. Even hand sanitation stations are being installed near the elevators and throughout busy areas of the hotel. And rooms will be sprayed down with electrostatic sprayers and hospital-grade disinfectant.
You might be looking at things like plastic wrapped bedspreads or sheets or linens. And then think about the cost and the effort that it would take to do something like that.
Tampa's Epicurean Hotel is also looking for ways to make customers feel comfortable and safe.
We are no longer valet parking cars when they walk in the lobby. We have plexiglass dividers between the front office agents and the guests.
Experts say much of Florida's economic recovery when it comes to tourism will be all about perception.
What's the solution for trying to expedite this recovery as quickly as possible?